In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change passwords in Worldcoin application. First things first, you want to head over to the application itself on your mobile devices, and from here, click on the gear icon, which is going to be settings. This window will show up. You want to click on account. This is where most people get lost because they navigate through security and privacy. Click on account, and then from here we have the account backup. Now, this is really important because the support for Worldcoin is not going to be able to help you change your account password. So you want to make sure to set it up on your own by clicking on the account backup option. And basically inside the page, we then have the iCloud login or the iCloud backup. We have the ability to change the password, and below that you have your recovery phone. You want to make sure that everything is set up because once again, the support for Worldcoin application will not be able to help you with this kind of stuff. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.